Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, it's Mukbang Mondays. And me and my dog are going to be eating on some desserts. So if you want to eat with us, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, we're super excited because it's Mukbang Mondays. Mukbang Mondays. And we're going to be eating on some desserts this mukbang. I know we're going to do it a little different, boo. But yes, we're going to be eating on some strawberry shortcakes. And we're going to do it any way you want to. So we're going to go on and get started because we're ready to eat, boo. Aren't you ready? So let me go on and give her plate.
Thank you.
There you go. And I have mine right here. And we're going to build us some strawberry shortcakes. So I'm going to take one. And then just take my little spoon and grab some of these good old strawberries. Nice and fresh. Put that right on top. Oh, there we go. What am I going to do next?
Maybe syrup or whipped cream?
Whipped cream. Let's do some whipped cream. Give it a nice little shake. Ooh. And let's put some more strawberries on this layer. We gonna do it big. Ooh.
I'm gonna do some chocolate syrup.
And I'm gonna do should I put another? Yeah, we'll do one more cake.
Ooh.
Is it gonna stay, y'all? Is that gonna stay? Let's put some whipped cream on there. You want some whipped cream?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And then maybe a couple more strawberries on the top, just to.
I'm gonna put.
Mine fell, you guys. I just tried to move it. That's all right. It's all going in one place. Let's try this.
And we got.
Oh my gosh. This is not gonna last. Mine is messy, y'all. Mine is messy. Yours is good, girl.
Thank you. I'm gonna add like 1 or 2 more strawberries. Let's do 1, and then we're gonna do this.
I tried to build a tower and it didn't work.
I'm gonna get an Oreo and put it on the side.
That looks good. People can't see it. Look at her. It's got the Oreo chocolate syrup.
Yeah, but 2 layers of chocolate syrup.
Mine just looks like a hot mess. Good? This is really good. Who doesn't like strawberry shortcakes? So what you guys been up to? What y'all been doing during this quarantine? I know I haven't uploaded a couple mukbangs, but past couple Mondays been having technical difficulties, and then Mondays just never seem to be a good day for me. Because if you guys don't know, I film my videos the same day I upload them, so majority of my videos, I might pre-record the night before, but majority of my videos I record the day I upload them, because I try to be very authentic for you guys, so you can guys really get the gist of what's going on with me at that time. Like, not just, oh, this is what she ate last week and posting it up. No, we ate this today, boo. There we go. There we go. Good? She killed her. I killed mine too. It's like eating 2 at one time. I tried. Let me see the chocolate syrup because now I want to try it on mine. She did a good job. That was really good. Let me give it a little try with my chocolate. Is good with strawberries, right? And cake and whipped cream. So let's give it a little try, a little tasty taste. A little tasty. Mmm. Not bad. Not bad at all. Mmm. Mm-hmm. This is really good, you guys. Hint, I'm not doing much talking. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is killing it. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna make you another one. I'm full now.
I'm gonna.
So she making her another one, and I'm over here like, ooh, I'm full now, cause I just had too much. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Mmm.
I'm gonna add a little chocolate syrup and a little bit of more whip. And this should be good.
She's making a strawberry Oreo cake.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
A little bit on your
A strawberry Oreo shortcake.
Make sure you got that.
Mmm. Let me get some more whipped cream.
Alright, there you go.
Mm-hmm. I got a couple more strawberries on my plate.
And I love chocolate, so I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Sometimes I just like good old strawberry and some whipped cream. Don't need nothing extra.
Ooh, ooh, it's gonna fall, it's falling, falling.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Looks like it's gonna fall, y'all. But yeah, I just, sometimes I'll just cut up some strawberries, put them in a bowl, put some whipped cream on top, and boom, there's a snack. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Mm-hmm. Mmm. What's your favorite way to eat a strawberry shortcake? I think it's mine. Well, one of mine, because I have another way I like to make it, but this is one of my favorite ways. We wanted to do something different. I wanted to do like some kind of dessert with you guys, because I know we be always eating on some good food, but there's some good desserts out there too, boo. Huh? Because she over there killing it. Killing it. I want to try this big one's calling my name. You see that? Mmm. Mm-hmm. Delicious.
I'm gonna try to eat it together.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm. This is so good, you guys. I don't think I can have no more. That was a lot, and it was very sweet. These strawberries, I sprinkled a little sugar on top of them, so very, very sweet. Look at her eyes. She's about to have a sugar rush. Y'all, she's about to have a sugar rush. I don't know what I was thinking with this girl. I don't know what I was thinking, but she about to have a sugar rush. But yes, oh my gosh. So good. Mmm. What's one of y'all's favorite desserts? Because we're trying to look for some new stuff to try out. We, and we like to bake, especially my daughter. She's into baking, so I'm teaching her some things. I think I might teach her how to make some cheesecake from scratch. That'd be cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I might. Because we got the ingredients in there, too. And I kind of want a cheesecake, y'all. Okay? So, yes. That's all we have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys are staying safe. Stay strong. We will get through this together. Only a few more weeks, and hopefully things will get somewhat to normal. I don't think they'll be back to normal anytime soon, but at least they'll get somewhat to normal and we can start socializing somewhat and go from there. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.